nobody not actually talking about how you can actually use ChatGPT or other LMM to actually write a email to sell your product or to sell your courses. So let's assume that you actually tell ChatGPT write an email to sell my product. We are going to see the response we are going to get from ChatGPT. So as you can see, the response are very, very boring, are very generic. As you can see, it is very, very boring. So I'm going to show you a platform or a AI tool that has been trained over years, like 3 or 4 years, that can write an email copy for you if you are selling a product, if you are selling a courses, or if you are affiliate marketer. So this particular AI tool will definitely write the email for you. So the email writer that I'm actually talking about is actually called AI Email Writer by Temp Email Gel. As you can see, still struggling to write email that actually converts. Like, you can actually use this particular AI tool to write your email. So what is actually interesting about this particular AI tool is the fact that they've trained this AI over the years to actually write just like you. You can choose your tone. They actually train them with all those popular copywriter in your niche, maybe in affiliate marketing, in course creator, that they've written a lot of email. So this particular AI tool was trained to write just like they do. So I'm going to show you some results this particular AI tool has generated. As you can see, this is payment from Goli, which is the private affiliate program. This is from JVZoo. This is from ClickBank. You know, if you know ClickBank very well, you promote product as affiliate, it has this email have generated sales from that. And if this is also from a private affiliate program, which is in pounds. This one is from Share or Sell. This is his bank transfer from Impact Trader. So it has actually proven to work successfully. So let me show you the pricing. So if you actually want to get started, you can actually start for free. You don't need to add your credit card. You don't need to add anything to start, and you can generate 2 email for free. So if you actually want to get more of this feature, to download the email, save the smart memory to ensure that whenever you're actually writing the next email, this AI is going to remember exactly your pattern, right, just like you. So you can subscribe for their standard plan, which is about $9.99 every month. And if you want more time, so you can actually go for their pro plan. So if you are subscribing for their standard plan, you are going to generate over 100 email every single month, and for the pro plan, you are going to generate over 450 emails every month. So let me show you exactly how you can get started for free without even paying for any money. So all you have to do is to click on write my first email over here. Click on write my first email. I'm going to be dropping the link to this particular AI tool inside the video description if you want to try them out. So then you are going to click on get started for free over here so that you can be able to sign up. As you can see, welcome back. You can actually sign up if you have an account already. All you have to do is to log in and actually start using this particular AI email writer. So, but if you don't have an account, you can sign up with your Google account, or you can sign up directly if you have your email ready. So I will not be doing the Google sign up. If you are using Google sign up, it's kind of very easy. If you are logging your Google account, all you have to do is to click on sign up, and you'll be able to sign up without any stress. So let me click on sign up for here. Then I'm going to actually click enter my name. So let me enter my name and show you exactly how it is being done. So I'm going to enter my email over here. So this is my email. Then I'm going to enter my password. Ensure you use a good password that actually have a capital letter and also some special character, so that your email can be successfully registered. So I'm going to click on continue or create a account. So as you can see, I'm going to save this password for the future purpose. So this particular AI tool is going to ask you more information about you, so that it's going to know your tone, what you do, who are your target audience. So as you can see, I'm actually a solo entrepreneur, or you can choose, if you are a freelancer, you can choose freelancer. If you are a SaaS founder, you can choose SaaS founder. If you are a copywriter, you can choose any of this particular role. So if you are actually training an AI, you have to choose a role. So this is what exactly this AI tool is actually telling you to do. So I'm going to choose freelancer, then click on continue. So what's your personal tone? Are you actually trying to get more customer or more leads? Is it more professional? Is it persuasive, or is it formal? So let's choose a kind of persuasive, so that we are going to get a lead. So as you can see, what are the type of your audience? Are you targeting subscriber? Are you targeting customer or lead? Let me choose all of them, because I'm going to be sending email for all of them. Your brand voice. So this one actually specify who are you, like your own personal need. Maybe you are someone that want to send email to your subscriber about a particular product you are launching anytime soon. So I'm going to tell this particular AI bot that a freelancer that want to get more clients. I am a freelancer. I am a freelancer that needs more clients. So as you can see, we actually save this smart memory so that this AI will actually need to remember every time we are created email on this platform. So I'm going to click on save and continue. As you can see, we are already inside this particular AI tool, which is going to allow us to generate unlimited email. So over here, if you are starting for, if you actually register, you are going to be given 2 emails to generate email for free. So, and one of the advantage, like one of the benefit of this platform is the fact that over here you can choose your tone. So there are different tone, there are professional tone, casual tone, formal tone, empathy. If you actually want to write a sales copy that are actually going to get more click and more sales, you can choose empathy, and you are going to choose the campaign type. So if you are targeting sales or newsletter follow up or cold email, if you are sending cold email outreach, you can choose any of this campaign type. And another thing that is very important, you can choose if you have a different audience, maybe in different country, you can write in English language, UK language, Espanol, French, Italy, different language. I think they have up to 18 language over here. You can choose any of them to write your email. So over here you can choose, if you actually want this particular email to have an emoji, you can either toggle it on or toggle it off. So if you want a personal email like so name, you can choose the personal email. And how many paragraph, if you want 5 paragraph, you can choose any of this option. And the word count, if you want 500 words or 200 words, depending on your word count you actually want to choose. And you can choose your audience. So if you are targeting maybe a lead, if you want to get a lead, you can choose lead. If you want ordinary subscriber who are already in your email list, you can choose your subscriber, and it's going to actually narrow down that particular email to what you actually want. And you are going to choose who are you. Maybe you are a marketer, you are a freelancer, you are a SaaS developer, you are a solo entrepreneur. So depending on your preference. For example, let's type in that I should write we are selling a product. So the next thing is to actually type in the what I actually want to achieve. So I said I'm selling a course named Lead Gorilla. Write an email that trigger user to buy it right away. So I'm going to generate the prompt and we are going to see the results we are going to get from this AI tool. So I'm going to click on generate, and for each generation we are actually doing with this particular AI tool, we are going to be charging 1 credit for that, and we are going to see the outcome of this particular response. As you can see, we said unlock marketing sales with Lead Gorilla. So as you can see, are you struggling to find lead? You are not alone. Many marketers face the same challenges. It can feel overwhelming to keep up with the competition. But if I told you that it's a simple way to attract the right customer, introducing Gorilla. This course is designed to help you find and nurture lead effectively. With Gorilla, you can learn the proven strategy to grow your email list. As you can see, this particular AI tool has generated an email that we can use for actually promotion. And one of the feature about this particular AI tool is the fact that it's going to analyze the email you generated, the click-through rate. If you actually send the email and people going to click it, and it's going to actually match up with, as you can see, the empathy tone is there already. So if your subscriber are reading this email, there's high probability that they are going to pull out their credit card and buy straightforward from what you are promoting. And target audience is your subscriber. So you can download this particular email that is generated for you. So you can download it as TSS file, or you can copy it to your email like Gmail or any of your email. You can actually save it as Google Doc, and it's going to download it to your desktop or your laptop. As you can see, it has been downloaded successfully. So let me show you another features that make this particular email tool to be mind-blowing. So for example, this particular prompt is not really much okay. So we can actually choose from the templates available. So let me choose the template available. As you can see, we have email templates which is about 15, and every day this particular template is being updated. So if you're actually sending a series message, welcome message, weekly newsletter template, customer story template, we have abandoned cart template, we have limited time offer, like you want someone to buy instantly, referral program template, and there is a safe sales copy template. So if you check the campaign builder, let's change the campaign builder. As you can see, sales mastery campaign, authority builder series template, urgency and scarcity campaign, problem algorithm solution campaign. So these are all driving email that actually convert. If you can use this particular email to write your email, definitely you are going to get sales, because it is being trained to write just like all those professional email writer. So you can just use any of these templates. Let's assume create an email, high converting sales campaign, following the proven strategy principle. So as you can see, you can actually modify this. Just enter your product's name and click on generate. Okay, let's use lead gorilla once again. Let me copy this lead gorilla and see. Let's see the outcome is going to give us. Compare with the first one we generated. So it said, okay, the industry. So let's find. So the area, you can actually just input the product name. So this is the product name. Let me change it to lead gorilla. So this is the product name, and let's just generate and see for generation sake. So I'm going to click on generate once again, but ensure that you actually fill up all this area so that you can get the exact email you actually want. So let's just generate it and show you the possibility of the outcome. As you can see, this is the outcome. It's kind of very, very much different from the first one we generated, because this one is actually prompt very well. The name. I'm going to be brutal with you. I'm going to be honest, brutally honest with you. Most of a marketer are struggling with growing their audience. They are working harder, not smarter, spinning the wheel, getting frustrated. As you can see, it has been giving us like some of the frustration those people are facing that might actually trigger them to buy your product instantly. Like they can buy your product instantly. As you can see, there's also the opportunity close, like urgency. There's urgency. There's call to action button over here, and there is this particular strategy that if you are actually selling the product, you are telling your subscriber that it is out of stock, so they have to buy right now. So this particular AI tool is trained to actually do that. As you can see, this is not a theory. It's a proofing system that has generated over 1,000 people achieve their goal. But here is the thing: I can only work with 10 people at a time. All right, I have 3 spots available. So as you can see, this is one of the a way actually to write a better sales copy. You know, like if you're a flea marketer, like a course creator, you created the course, you are selling. For you to start like settling down to write email copy yourself, it takes time. So you can actually use this AI to do it, to be your writing assistant. So as you can see, you have to upgrade if you actually want to write more. So you have to do, if you want to upgrade to their pro plan, is to click on upgrade to the pro plan. Then you are going to choose any plan you actually want. If you write email consistently, you can go for their pro plan, and if you actually want to start to test them for the first month, you can subscribe for the standard plan. Click on subscribe over here, and it's going to load another page for you to pay and actually get this AI writer and start writing. As you can see, you are going to click on agree terms and conditions, then click on continue. Then you are going to pay with either your PayPal or you can pay with Google Pay. It depends on your payment method, your credit card, your debit card, then click on subscribe. So I will not be doing the payments right now. If you want me to make a full video about how you can use this particular AI tool, let me know in the comment section below, then I'll make the full video. Thanks for watching, and ensure that you use the link that I'm going to provide inside this video description to sign up for this AI writer by Temp Email. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.